Rahim. Question October 13, bearing 31, topic is loci, and I'm doing question 8b part only. What is the question we have here? You can see, this is a circle. Again, I said before, if Z involved on one side, is called circle, and the other side we have always radius. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Here mentioned, and I said a lot of time, here negative is fixed, sorry. So I need negative sign. I don't have negative sign, so let's try it. So 0 minus I. So this negative is fixed, I said a lot of times. And this is called center. What is center? X0, Y minus 1. X0, Y minus 1. And what is radius? Radius is also given 1. Okay. So it means if I draw a circle, naturally is like this. How I know? Because it is negative 1 is down. And what is radius 1? That's x-axis. Okay, is it clear? What does the ARG stand for? Argument. So ray. So let's start. So when you talk about ray, ARG, W minus 2 plus 0I equal to 3 pi by 4. So let's see. What is the starting point angle given by him? Okay. So what is this angle? I think you know or not. I just tell you. 1 pi by 4. Second pi by 4. And third pi by 4. I repeat again. So from here till here is called the angle. Let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, so let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our first circle, I plot a circle first, and then I will draw the other one. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's see. Okay, so circle is and the center of circle. Okay, here we have a 1, but minus 1. And here we have this x-axis, and we have this is a point. What is starting point? 2, 0. Where is the 2, 0? This is a 1, so this is a 1 and this is a 2. So here's a starting point. So this starting point is where? Is here, this 2. Okay. And how much angle I have to make it? It means pi by 4, pi by 4, pi by 4. How much is left behind? Pi by 4. So can I say this? It is like this. You can see. Pi by 4 one time, second time and third time. So my second is this one. You can see this is my ray, okay, and put arrow on one end, okay. So let's see now, this is my first locus, second locus, and for your knowledge, this is Z. It means each point of circle represented by Z, and this is W. Each point of the ray represented by W. I repeat my words again. Each point of Z represented by Z, and each point on the ray represented by W. What is this least value modulus Z minus W? What this I just translate. It means the gap, the distance. This two lines stand for distance between two loci. Which two lines? Loci? Circle and ray. And what is short distance between them? I've never seen up till now this kind of question. It came only one time up till now. So look. Is there a short distance between circle? Is a short? So let's say, so short is 100% is very clear. If I say this, I have to draw such a line which is go to this one. So this is a 1 and this is a minus 1. And this is a short gap between them. So this is my question. So my question is from this point till this point. Reason is very clear. Can I make it this way? No, I have to draw a perpendicular. It means if I check it carefully, so this is a perpendicular, like they are parallel to each other, right? And this gap is my target. Now question comes, how to find this one? Okay, first of all, this triangle make here, and how much is this gap? 2. And you know this angle is 45 degree. And I said you 45 degree make a square shape. If I make this diagram once again here, so see please, that big triangle is like this. 2, 2. This 2 and this gap is also 2. I have this triangle. Okay. Now it means what is gap from here to here? 3. So leave this triangle and make other one triangle. This is a C circle. This is a, let's say, a P perpendicular, and let's say this point is a let's say A. Let's say this point is a A. This point is a A. This point is A. So this is a P. Perpendicular, this point is A on the top. So this triangle I'm making here, and just see how we can make it this 90 degree here, and this is a C, this is a P, this is a A, and this gap is 3. How gap is 3? Check. How much this gap? 1. And how much this gap? 2. How much this gap? 2. So 2 plus 1 become 3. I repeat again for you, because angle is 45 degree, it may like a middle of square like that. So it means if this gap is 2, so this gap is also 2. If this is a 2 and this is a 1, so from here to here is 3 gap. So 90 degree from here, and how much this angle? This angle is how much this angle? 45 degree. How much this angle? 90. How much this angle? 45 degree. So I can say this angle is pi by 4. So this is my target to find. But what is CP? CP you can find is an opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse give you what? Give you sine theta. So theta as a opposite is a CP by 3 equal to sine pi by 4. Sine pi by is root 2 by 2 and into 3. So we got a CP. But for your knowledge, so what is this gap? What is this one? PC. What is radius? 1. My question from here. What is from here till here? 1. What is from here till here? 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. So what is here? 1. But I don't want this one. I want this one. So it's 3 root 3. 3 root 2 by 2. This is a full answer. So leave 1. And my answer is coming. For this is Z minus W is 3 root 2 by 2 minus 1. Over. Finish. Stop please. And now discuss. जितना भी है